Hello, friends. If you're in charge of investments at your city, this video is for you. An effective investment policy is more helpful than you may think. As an experienced reviewer of investment policies for the past 20 years, I've witnessed both lessons learned from knowledgeable and experienced veterans of Treasury, but I've also seen a lot of unhelpful and vague investment policy language. In this video, I want to share more highly effective habits of smart city treasurers. By following these guidelines, I really want you to enhance your professional reputation, increase your value to the city you serve, and pave the way for improved interest revenue in your city's budget. No one tries to play a game without learning the rules. City investing is infinitely more important. Don't overlook one section that many, unfortunately, skip right over: the enabling legislation. This section establishes the legal framework upon which your entire investment program stands. It's essential to cite the specific state statute code that governs your investments. In my home state, that's the Revised Code of Washington, sections 35 and 39. If you're in Texas, it's Chapter 2256, the Public Funds Investment Act, and it's sections 53,600 and 53,601 if you're in California. You get the idea. If your city has additional specific code sections related to investments, include those as well. By referencing the enabling legislation, you ensure that your investment program is responsive to the public trust and compliant with the law, and your citizens and governing bodies see that you have connected these dots easily for them. Next, let's dive into the delegation of authority section. This section outlines the responsibilities and decision-making processes for everyone at your agency. It's vital to name the governing body that approves and adopts your investment policy. By acknowledging their role and authority, you establish transparency and accountability. Remember, people appreciate seeing their name associated with positive improvements, so state right up front that the City Council's approval enables city investments. The policy should explicitly state that the treasurer or finance director or investment officer is specifically authorized to execute investment transactions. This clear statement eliminates any confusion and provides a foundation for effective decision-making. You need to be able to execute transactions in a market that changes minute by minute. In addition to the City Council, it's crucial to mention the agency's chief executive, typically the mayor or city manager. Although their involvement may be more symbolic if the policy states that the finance director executes transactions, it's a mistake to exclude them. You can include a statement such as, management responsibility for the investment program is delegated by the mayor to the finance director, who shall establish procedures for the operation of the investment program consistent with this investment policy. This ensures that the executive roles, not just legislative, are acknowledged and reinforces the unified governance of your investment program. The council sets policy, the chief executive runs the daily city operations. You need both, and your policy can say so. Operational responsibility must be clearly assigned, clearly identified day-to-day authority and responsibilities. The finance director and the finance department staff must make sure to abide by the entire investment policy and be able to explain every transaction. In another video, I'll provide a one-page template for a comprehensive rationale document. Finally, throughout your policy, consistency in terminology is essential. If your city has a designated finance director, use that title consistently. Some policies mention a treasurer or investment officer when really it's the finance director. It's unhelpful to say treasurer one place and finance director elsewhere if it's the same person. Seek uniformity and avoid ambiguity or misunderstanding. Pay attention to other sections of the investment policy that refer to positions or titles. The usual suspects are the sections covering disclosures, reporting, special authorizations, and policy adoption. Ensuring alignment with the overall policy and accurate reflection of roles and responsibilities will eliminate unnecessary confusion. Crafting an effective investment policy requires attention to detail and precision in language. By incorporating these suggestions into your policy, you can create a clear and comprehensive document that serves as a guide for your investment program. Remember, transparency, accountability, and clarity are key elements of a successful investment policy that fosters trust. And by ensuring these sections fit your specific agency, your investment policy will serve you better in your real-world investment activity. I hope this video has given you some ideas to improve your investment policy. I'd appreciate your feedback and comments as I consider future content. If you found this worthwhile, go ahead, give it a like and subscribe, but most importantly, take action by reviewing your agency's investment policy and implementing the necessary revisions to align it with best practices in your specific circumstances. In finance, our success lies in helping others succeed. This video aims to help you because it's your efforts in enhancing your investment policy that will contribute to the financial success of your city and make it a better place. Thanks for watching.